Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many students find confusing, the difference between a statement of purpose and a study plan. As you may know, these are two essential documents that you need to submit when applying for a university program, especially if you're applying for a graduate degree. Both documents serve different purposes and require different approaches. Let's take a closer look. Before we start, hit that subscribe button, so that you don't miss any future updates posted on the channel. Let's start. Section 1. What is a statement of purpose? First, let's talk about the statement of purpose. This is a document that explains who you are, your academic and professional background, your interests, and your goals. Its purpose is to convince the admissions committee that you're a strong candidate for the program and that you'll be a valuable addition to the university community. In your statement of purpose, you should describe your academic achievements and research experience, as well as your future career plans. You should also explain why you're interested in the program, what you hope to gain from it, and how it fits into your long-term goals. In essence, the statement of purpose is all about you and your motivations. Section 2. What is a study plan? Now, let's turn our attention to the study plan. This is a document that outlines your proposed course of study during your time in the program. Its purpose is to show the admissions committee that you've thought carefully about your academic goals and have a clear plan for achieving them. In your study plan, you should explain which courses you plan to take, which research topics you're interested in, and which professors you hope to work with. You should also explain how your proposed course of study relates to your career goals and how you plan to use the knowledge and skills you acquire in the program. In essence, the study plan is all about your academic plans. Section 3. Key differences. So, what are the key differences between a statement of purpose and a study plan? Well, the first difference is that the statement of purpose is all about you and your motivations, while the study plan is all about your academic plans. The second difference is that the statement of purpose is more general and can be used for multiple applications, while the study plan is more specific and tailored to the program you're applying to. Finally, the statement of purpose is usually a shorter document, while the study plan is more detailed and can be several pages long. Section 4. Summary. In conclusion, the statement of purpose and the study plan are two distinct documents that serve different purposes. While the statement of purpose is all about you and your motivations, the study plan is all about your academic plans. Make sure you understand the difference between these two documents and spend time crafting each one carefully to maximize your chances of admission. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. See you in the next one.